What's good, everybody? Instructify here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create a Roblox Game Pass for Please Donate. So the first thing you want to do is head into your browser and here search for roblox.com. Now go to create. In create, go to creations and here choose the experience you want to create the Game Pass in. So then go down right here until you find monetization. In here, scroll to passes. In here, if you don't already have a pass, create a pass. Then here, you can create a pass, name it anything you want. Let's say Instructify Pass. Then you can give it a description or change the image. Then press create a pass. Now here you're all done. Now cross out of your browser, go into Roblox. Now go to please donate. After you're in please donate, go to a unclaimed booth, claim it, and then boom, it's gonna show up right here. If this video helps you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any more help.